Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to add an object behind your image, and the object is have a moving motion, so it actually adding a video onto your picture. So the way how to do it, now we need to use a Capcut application and then import the picture that you want to edit. I already prepared this picture, I already prepared this one. And the way how to make it, it's just like this. Now you need to open it, and then on the toolbar you can see that there's an overlay button here, and then click it and add the overlay. And I already prepared this moon video, and then click add. Now as you can see that the video is already added to the picture like this. And then you need to adjust the size of the video like this. You need to increase it. For example, I think I will try to use this. Okay, I'll try to use this. And after that, after you increase the size of the video that you adding to the design, then you need to adjust the length of the duration and make sure it's same as the background duration like this. And then click the video, swipe left the toolbar until you found the mask, then click mask and add a horizontal mask like this, and then adjust the mask and then decrease the transparency like that, and then click finish. Now we can see the result just by now, and your picture will be look like this. So there's a moving effect on the background, but the main picture is still it doesn't have a movement. And that's the way how to make it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.